turn our attention now to place names. So I want to show you a map of Aotearoa. So let's just start off with the correct pronunciation of New Zealand, which is Aotearoa. Aotearoa. Can you say that? Aotearoa, land of the long white cloud. And of course, you have three islands in Aotearoa. Main islands, Te Ika Nui a Maui. Can you say that? Te Ika Nui a Maui, the great fish of Maui. And in the South Island, we have Te Waiponamu, which means greenstone waters. So let's start off at the very bottom of the South Island. We have Rakiura. Can you say that? Rakiura. And tēnei ka mihi ake kia koutou ki roto o te Waiponamu. Just saying a shout out to those of you in the South Island. Tēnā koutou. Let's go north of Rakiura to Invicago. And the Māori name for Invicago is Waihopai. Kōrero mai, Waihopai. Let's go further north of Invicago to Dunedin, O Te Poti. O Te Poti. Coming inland to Lake Wānaka. Wānaka. Remember, there's a macron over the A on Wānaka. Here's the next one, Hokitika. Hokitika. Ka pai, and north of Hokitika is Mawhera, which is greymouth. Crossing over to the east coast of the South Island, we have Ōtautahi. Ōtautahi, which is Christchurch. And going north of Christchurch is one of my favourite places in the South Island, Kaikoura. Kaikoura, which means to eat crayfish. Koera taku tino kai ko te koura. That's my favourite food. Koura, crayfish. Going northwards to Waido. Waido is Blenheim. Tēnā koutou, e mātakitaki mai nā I Waido. And west of Waido is Nelson, which in Māori is known as Fakatane. Fakatane. So let's cross over to the North Island, to Wellington. Te whanganui a Tara. Te whanganui a Tara. Let's go up the west coast to New Plymouth, to Ngāmotu. Ngāmotu. Let's go inland from Ngāmotu to Waiouru. Waiouru. And let's go to the Tairāwhiti, the east coast, to Heretaunga. Heretaunga, which is Hastings. North of Heretaunga, we have the town of Wairoa. Going north up the east coast to Gisborne, Turanga. Turanga nui a Kiwa. Nō reira ka mihi atu kia koutou o te Tairāwhiti. Let's come further north to the Eastern Bay of Plenty, to Te Kaha. Tēnā koutou, Te Kaha. Let's go to Ōpōtiki. Ōpōtiki. And just a little way from there is Fakatane. Fakatane. Fakatane may sound like a swear word, but whaka is a quite an important word in Māori because it's what we call a causative prefix. Fakatane means to make me into a man. And it talks about a story about an ancestress by the name of Wairaka who said, kia whakatane au ia hau, let me be as a man, which gave her the mana to be able to save the waka mā tātua from drifting out to sea. Coming inland to Rotorua. Rotorua. Ka pai anei te rohe o Rotorua e mihi atu nei. So here I am in Rotorua, and very happy to be able to host this particular live stream tonight. Going north from there to Kirikiri Roa. Kirikiri Roa is the Māori name for Hamilton. And of course, north of Kirikiri Roa is Auckland, Tāmaki Makaurau. Tāmaki Makaurau. Tāmaki of 100 lovers. Tāmaki Makaurau. And if we go further north, we have the beautiful city of Whangarei. Now notice the correct pronunciation of Whangarei is with the macron over the second A, Whangarei. So there you have it, people. We have our place names in Māori.